Greetings everyone. Are you on a mission to expedite the growth of your YouTube channel and uncover the secret strategies to success? You've landed at the right spot. In this insightful video, we'll be sharing some invaluable tips that could aid you in your quest for rapid YouTube growth and achievement of your ambitions. So without further ado, allow us to dive right in. Our first tip is to gain a robust understanding of your target audience. Who are these individuals? What piques their interest? By tailoring your content to align with their needs and preferences, you'll attract more viewers and see a surge in your subscriber count. The second tip is all about consistency. Make a point of posting new videos on a regular basis. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly. What matters is adhering to a schedule that your audience can look forward to. This not only creates a sense of expectation, but also ensures your viewers stay hooked. Coming to the third tip, it's all about optimization. Spruce up your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Doing so will make your content more discoverable in search results, attracting more viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Tip number 4 is to stand out from the crowd. Invest time and effort into crafting eye-catching thumbnails and compelling video intros. These elements can pique the curiosity of prospective viewers and coax them to click on your videos. Our fifth tip is to engage. Make it a point to interact with your audience. Respond to their comments, solicit feedback, and cultivate a genuine rapport with your viewers. This not only fosters loyalty, but also prompts them to share your content within their circles. For the sixth tip, we encourage collaborations. Team up with other YouTubers in your niche. This opens up opportunities to reach their audience and expand your viewer base. Collaboration videos can be an enjoyable and mutually beneficial venture. Don't forget about social media. It's your ally. For our seventh tip, we recommend promoting your videos on platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. This strategy can help you tap into a broader audience, boost your video views, and draw in new subscribers. Finally, the eighth tip is to harness the power of YouTube analytics. Understand which videos and topics strike a chord with your audience. This insight will drive your content creation process and allow you to better cater to your viewers' preferences. And there you have it, folks. Strategies for speedy YouTube growth that can open the door to success for your channel. Remember, growth on YouTube is a process that requires time and dedication. But armed with consistency, engaging content, and these strategies, your road to success will be significantly smoother. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights and guidance. Here's to your success and happy YouTubing.